So because we've just hit my first real milestone of 33,000 subscribers, i.e. 1/3 of the way to 100k, I've joined up with Sam's Detailing to offer a limited edition 33k gift set. Although the channel literally hit 34k yesterday, but I certainly can't complain with the channel's growth as of late. My contribution to the 33k gift set is a limited edition grey camo JP Details snapback cap, which is of course an excellent quality. This cap is my new daily work cap, so believe me, they are certainly up to par. A JP Details air freshener and two 300 GSM premium microfiber towels. In Sam's Corner we have 100ml samples of Sam's Detailing shampoo, Sam's Detailing snow foam, Sam's Detailing iron reactor, and of course the Sam's Detailing ceramic boost, which for the most part have all been used in today's video. Also a Sam's Detailing air freshener, a ceramic boost keyring, and a Sam's Detailing pin badge. We have 33 gift sets available, which I'm sorry to say, but they are only available to UK residents due to excess postage costs overseas. The 33 gift sets to celebrate 33k subscribers cost £30 for the set inclusive of the postage, and are now available to purchase on the JP Details online store. The limited edition gift sets, which will be done on the next milestone as well, so 66k subscribers, however they won't be the same design. I'm big into my snapbacks and also big into Sam's Detailing, so hopefully this set will sort you out nicely with an introduction to Sam's brand whilst also wearing mine. 33 sets in total at 30 quid each, UK postage only, so be a part of the JP Details brand and help me celebrate my first goal. As always, thank you to all 33,000 of you for subscribing and watching the videos. If it wasn't for you lot, then I wouldn't have claimed this Lamborghini Huracan. I've met quite a few of you so far on the training days, which is awesome, and I look forward to watching the channel grow even more in the future. Don't forget to smash the like button to help me celebrate and to also get this video shown to the masses. Please visit the description below to find both my own and Sam's Detailing social media pages to give them a follow, and please head over to Sam's Detailing on YouTube and make sure you subscribe, and why not let him know that JP Details sent you over. I am doing these gift sets for a small profit, which considering how long they've taken to organise and put together is only fair. However, I do feel the need to let you know that I don't get paid any commission if you do go and buy some of Sam's products, but please feel free to do so as they are a genuine company and I use their products because I like them. Visit the JP Details online store by visiting jpdetails.co.uk to order your 33k limited edition gift set. Thank you once again, and I'll hopefully catch you in the next one.
Thank you.